Hey there, young explorers! Welcome to Curious Minds. Have you ever seen a real fossil? Fossils are like nature's time capsules, giving us clues about creatures and plants from millions of years ago. Grab your explorer hats and dig in with me to discover the amazing world of fossils. Fossils are the remains of ancient plants and animals that have turned into rock. They can be bones, teeth, shells, or even footprints. But fossils don't just appear overnight. They take millions of years to form. First, a creature like a dinosaur has to be buried under layers of mud and sand. Then, over a long time, minerals replace the bones, turning them into rock. And voila, a fossil is born. There are many different types of fossils. Let's take a look at a few. Body fossils. These are the actual bones, teeth, or shells of animals that have turned to stone. Trace fossils. These are footprints, burrows, or even dinosaur poop. Yes, really, that tell us how creatures lived. Amber fossils. Sometimes tiny bugs get trapped in sticky tree sap, which hardens into amber, preserving them perfectly. Fossils help us learn about creatures that lived millions of years ago, like dinosaurs, giant sea creatures, and even ancient plants. Some of the most incredible fossils ever found include T-Rex skeletons, giant meat-eating dinosaurs that ruled the earth. Megalodon teeth, the huge, sharp teeth of a prehistoric shark as big as a bus. Dinosaur footprints. Scientists have discovered huge footprints that show where dinosaurs once walked. Each fossil tells a story about the past. Imagine finding a dinosaur footprint in your backyard. How cool would that be? Thanks for exploring fossils with me today. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you will discover the next big fossil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome science adventures. See you next time. Bye!